Hi, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Insights with Imani. Today, I am joined with my colleague, Karyn Bryant. Karyn, I'll give you an opportunity to introduce yourself before we jump into today's conversation.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Imani. I'm Karyn Bryant. I've been with Indian River Habitat 6 years this month, actually. Wow. And it's more than a job. It's more than a career. It is, building relationships throughout the community. And I count myself blessed to be here and to be a part of this family, to be a part of this community.
Awesome. So you are remind me your title.
Oh, sure. Neighborhood Revitalization and Deconstruction Manager. And I'm sure some people are like, what does that even mean?
Yeah, it's a long title.
So Neighborhood Revitalization is our home repair program. So I manage that for affordable home repairs in our community. And Deconstruction, we put teams together to mostly go over on the beach side to when somebody is remodeling or they have just purchased a home and they want it gutted, we get all of those items. We send a crew over to get all those items for our restore.
I know a lot of people tend to think when they think habitat, the first thing that might come to their mind might be the restore, or it might be new home construction. But a huge piece of what we do, of course, is home repairs. So can you talk a little bit about that program and what it means to qualify for one of them?
Sure. What I like to say is, when I'm going to a networking group or anything like that, the best way to describe the home repair program is everybody can relate to a new AC or having to have a new air conditioning system. So let's say that you're a homeowner and you need a new AC, and that's about $5,000. Maybe that homeowner doesn't have $5,000 laying around, Imani. So they would apply to our program. They could either come in person here to our office at 4568 North US 1, or they can go online to irchabitat.org, go under programs and click on home repairs. And they would see the qualifications are based on our family size that's in the home and how much income they bring in. So they would submit a pre-screen. If qualified for the program, they would typically put 10% down, so $500 on a new AC, and their payment would be somewhere between $90 and $100 a month. The great thing about the home repair program is no interest on their payback loan. And then also they may qualify not to pay 100% of that repair back based on their income. So they might fall into our sliding scale of anywhere from 70 to 90%. So it's a really good deal. You're not going to find anywhere else that you could finance a home repair with no interest. So we are blessed to be able to offer this to our community. And it's not for just our homeowners. This is for any homeowner in Indian River County.
Okay. And you kind of alluded to this about it being no interest on the payments and whatnot. And with everything just so expensive right now, everyone's feeling it. Why do you think our home repair program is so critical, especially now?
I would say especially now because homeowners insurance is rising with very high cost, which is causing people's mortgages to go up. A lot of that is because of the age of people's roofs. Roofs are more expensive repair, and people do not have $10,000 to $15,000 laying around. So it's very important and very critical at this time because there's many homeowners in our county that are facing needing a new roof and not being able to afford that. And think about it, Imani. I mean, without a roof, how do you secure your home? How do you keep that home for 15, 20, 30 years without it being secure? Like the roof is like one of the most important things. That's not the only type of repairs we do, but it is very important and very critical. And that seems to be the need throughout the county right now. We have an internal joke about it as my staff is receiving pre-screens and applications. They're like, got another roof. And it's true, because that's what's coming in the door. But we also do HVAC systems. We also do exterior doors, anything that's going to help the homeowner stay in their home, anything that's a safety issue, impact windows, any type of home repair you can think, hot water heater, from least to the greatest. We do it to help people stay in their home and to keep their home up to date.
In the development team, I work rather closely with Karyn. I get the opportunity to meet the homeowners who are applying for critical home repairs, and just learning about how you used to, what was it, 20 years you could go without replacing your roof, and now it's less and less, and that's affecting home insurance policies. That's just such a staggering thing that I've noticed.
Exactly, Imani. You're talking 20 to 25 years, the shingles are guaranteed. But now homeowners, some companies are saying that roofs need to be replaced in 10 years if they're a shingle roof, others 15, but nothing above 15. And the manufacturer's warranty is longer than that. So there are, some things at legislation level that are being addressed that will hopefully get handled. But as of right now, there's so many homeowners getting letters in the mail from their insurance company saying, due to the age of your roof, your policy is going to increase, or you will be canceled by this date if you don't replace your roof. So a lot of people that have applied to us, their mortgage has increased by $400-500 a month even. So they have to get that roof replaced, or else they're not going to be able to afford their home. So, we already have a national housing crisis, and this is going to add to it, if homeowners can't get an affordable way to replace their roof.
How many home repairs are there in the pipeline right now? I know a majority of them are roofs, but do you have that number on hand?
I'm glad you asked that. Yes, I do. So we currently have processed 88 home repairs.
Wow.
And out of that, 56% are roofs. So that shows you the need throughout the county. And let's go bigger than that, just not even throughout the county. Let's think about the whole state of Florida. Roof replacement due to storms, recent storms and past storms. Not everyone replaced what they needed to replace. So I just think back to Hurricane Irma in 2017. That caused over $50 billion of damages throughout the state of Florida. And not everybody has even recovered from that. But thinking back to 2017, and I know you were with us at this time too, we had a veteran, John Hart, that we were able to serve. And he lives in a mobile home community, and we still stay in contact with him. He's one of our star veterans. I love working with the veterans because they have such a rich history. But when you think about a mobile home, and his roof was literally peeled back like this, what do you do in that scenario? This is his home. He has made this his home in Indian River County. He has lived there over 20 years. And then this storm comes through, and at the time we had used our veteran funding. But there was state funding that finally came through, emergency funding through Habitat for Humanity International and the state of Florida affiliates, and we were able to serve him. And not only were we able to serve him in that capacity with the roof that secured his home, we were able to come back out later with a Home Depot team and do a home preservation project at his home. My motto is everything that happens through relationship, and that was definitely the case with Veteran Hart. I stay in contact with him. We connected him with another veteran to even receive a car when his car was down.
Oh, good. That's awesome.
And out of the story that you did, Imani, one of the quotes that Veteran Hart said was that he referred to Indian River Habitat for Humanity as a team of guardian angels, restoring hope back to his home. And that's truly, he can't talk about us enough in the community. He can't tell everybody he comes in contact with how we saved his home. And, you know, this is what we do. We have a heart to reach out to our community. And, you know, he's just blessed for it. And he's very grateful and thankful for the home repair program. And we want to reach others that don't know about this program, that need the assistance and want to be able to age in place and stay in their home.
So if I'm listening to this or I'm watching it, what can I do to give back to this program and to help those who qualify, whether that be veterans or aging adults or young families? How can I help them?
Exactly. You know, even a one-time gift or an ongoing gift, if you submit that gift to us here at Indian River Habitat and you label it for home repair program, that gift will go directly in helping somebody get a new roof, get a new AC. So you can definitely impact the home repair program. Every other month as you shop at the Restore, there's also a discount if you give a donation to the home repair program. So that's another way that you would be able to give. There's plenty of ways to give back in our community, and you can directly label a gift to the home repair program, and we would be honored if you would do that and help somebody. You would be literally helping your neighbor in Indian River County receive assistance that they need to improve their home and stay in their home. And like you said, Imani, this could be a single dad, a single mom, it could be a full family, it could be a veteran, it could be a widow. We serve everybody in Indian River County.
Awesome. And before I let you go, I know you have a lot on your plate right now with so many repairs being completed, but can we quickly kind of rattle off some of the home repairs that we do? We've mentioned roofs, we mentioned ACs, HVAC. What are some other like minor repairs, and then some more critical repairs, or even some weatherization?
Yes. So we can do exterior paint, exterior wood repairs. We can do light landscaping, you know, just as a spring spruce me up type of thing. We can do exterior pressure cleaning. And then more on the critical side, like you said, the roofs, the ACs and HVAC. We can also do hot water heaters.
Accessibility modifications.
Yes. Impact windows, wheelchair ramps, safety lights, you name it, whatever repair is needed, we can do it, and we desire to do it. We do focus in on critical home repairs, but we also have a percentage of home preservation projects and safety projects that we do as well.
Great. Well, thank you so much, Karyn, for chatting with us. Karyn's team is also with, it's Karyn, Samantha, Saul, Michelle.
So Michelle does the initial intake applications, verifies income, and then Samantha usually calls the homeowners, does a one-on-one phone interview. If everything looks good from there, they come in, they do a full application. Saul and myself go out and do an initial home assessment, verify that there is a need. And then if it is something that we can do, then we estimate those costs. If it's something that we have to sub out, then we have the vendor bid it for us. And then we sign an agreement with the homeowner and we complete those repairs.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Karyn. Like she said, if you want to learn more about the home repair program, just go to our website, which will be on the screen, irchabitat.org, and select home repairs. I'll have the link on the screen so you guys can click around there. You can also, if you have any questions, you can email Karyn. Her contact will be on the screen, or call her. So we look forward to seeing you next month. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, Imani.